Yo, hello guys! What's up, minions? What's going on? This is Cher Jey, and welcome back to my channel. And also guys, if you are first time watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also guys, please do like and share. So yun na nga guys, so ngayon magbubukas tayo ng isa pang product na kung saan binili ko to sa Festival Mall. So I'm sure magugustuhan niyo tong vlog na to dahil if ikaw ay naghahanap ng headset or gaming headset na pwede sa iyong laptop or pwede sa iyong gaming laptop, magugustuhan mo to. And etong product na to is recommended siya ng isa kong friend ng tropa, wherein sabi niya, yung bilin mo, ito yung bilin mo na ganyan kasi talagang hindi ka magsisisi sa pagbili mo niyan. So ngayon ginawa ko ay search ng product name sa internet and nagustuhan ko naman siya. So yun nga guys, pero the story behind that is dalawang mall yung pinuntahan ko bago ako nakabili nito. And yung unang mall na yun is SM Tunasan, or they call it SM Muntinlupa, sa Octagon, pero wala silang stock. And nakahanap ako sa mismong Octagon sa Festival Mall. Another thing guys is makakatulong to lalo-lalo na sa mga nag-work from home. Kasi if you are looking for a best headset and durable headset na magagamit mo ng pangmatagalan, pues ito ang para sa'yo. So, panoorin mo to. Yo guys! So, ito na pa guys. Ito na yung binili ko na headphone, which is HyperX Cloud Stinger. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, itong headphone na to, nabili ko siya sa Octagon Festival Mall. So, guys, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung ano ba yung HyperX na brand. So, nag-search ako sa internet kung ano yung HyperX na brand na to, na headphone. And isa siya sa mga #1 best gaming headset. Yan. And also guys, hindi lang yun. Kasi nga, since gaming headset siya, meron siyang mga features na kung saan magugustuhan mo pa rin. Kasi nga, meron na rin siyang noise cancellation and mute. And also, madami pang iba. Yan. So, mamaya, ayan, bubuksan natin to guys. Titingnan natin kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob. Ayan. Kung gaano ba kaganda tong headset na to. Ayan guys. But before that guys, mga kamanyons, ang gagawin natin is bibigyan ko muna kayo ng product review. So, tingnan natin sa internet kung ano yung mga details na tungkol dito sa HyperX Cloud Stinger na headset. Ayan. So, alright guys. So, ngayon guys, titingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mga details niya. So, punta tayo ngayon sa website, sa official website ni HyperX. Ayan. So, ngayon, nakikita nyo sa inyong screen. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dito sa screen nyo. Ayan, sabi ko. So, ayan. So, yung HyperX brand na to, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo. So, from the #1 best-selling PC gaming headset brand in America. So, guys, imagine, in America. Diba? Stingers with 7.1. So, HyperX Cloud Stinger family. So, madami siyang klase. Marami na siyang version itong Cloud Stinger na to. And the HyperX Cloud Stinger family of headsets is known of featuring high-quality audio. So, dito pa lang, mamaya matitest ko kung okay ba siya sa audio. Pero I'm sure okay naman siya kasi #1 best-selling siya. Lightweight design and being durably built. And it's a fantastic headset for the many players starting out on their adventure. So definitely if you are a first-timer and if you are a first-time gamer, naghahanap ka ng headset na pwede mong gamitin panimula, ito ang para sa'yo. Now, also, upgrade your sound with available 7.1 surround options, sound options via Genuity software to enjoy more immersive audio. Select from wired or wireless versions, and most models feature a convenient swivel to mute noise cancellation microphone. Whether you play on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, pwede din. And there's a headset in the Stinger family that is designed for you and optimized for the way you play. Ayan. So guys, eto, dito pa lang medyo okay na talaga siya. So, lightweight comfort, magaan siya. Immersive in-game audio, okay naman siya. Durable, adjustable steel slider. So, na-adjust natin yung earphone, yung pinaka-headphones niya. And swivel to mute noise cancellation microphone. So pag inangat mo, naka-mute siya. And pwede rin siya sa noise cancellation. Pag binaba mo, you can use the microphone. And virtual 7.1 surround sound via HyperX Menuity. Ayan. So, yun guys. So, yun yung mga bagay na dapat nating malaman. And, ayan. So, tingnan nyo lang yung sa screen. And also guys, itong cloud stinger na to, itong cloud stinger na headset natin, marami na siyang version. So, marami na siyang klase. So, ito ay isa sa mga version niya. Okay? And, kung titingnan natin, okay, itong cloud stinger na HyperX brand is great for work from home and online education. So guys, so alam naman natin that today we are facing a pandemic, and syempre, if you are looking for a headphone na kung may budget ka naman para dito, so bumili ka na ng pinaka maganda para sa'yo, yung magagamit mo ng pangmatagalan. And also guys, syempre, syempre guys, I will recommend this lalo na sa mga teachers na syempre, gamer and at the same time, nagtuturo. Ayan. So, hindi po tayo bibili ng ganito na nasasabihin nila mamahalin or ano lang. But still, syempre, this one is investment. Okay? Investment po ito kasi magagamit natin ito pang matagalan. Ayan. So sabi dito, having a comfortable headset is just as essential for remote work and online classes as it is for gaming with friends. So enjoy clear communication with your friends and coworkers in your Zoom calls, also in your class lectures, and also in your Discord chats. Yeah. So madaming klase to, but still pwede siya meron kasi tayong cloud stinger na wireless, meron naman tayong may cord, at meron naman tayo na yun nga, may cord. And depende to kung saan mo siya gagamitin. If you're going to use this in PlayStation, if you're going to use this in Xbox, and also if you're going to use this in your PC. So, pwede siya. This is also compatible with, yun nga, with the PC, PS4, Xbox One, Mac, mobile, Nintendo Switch, and VR. So, napakadami niyan compatibility. So, sana lahat compatible. Joke. Sure. Ayan. So now guys, this is the time that you are waiting for. Okay, so we're going to unbox this. Ayan. We're going to unbox this one. Ayan. So, sige, try muna natin siyang tingnan. So, yung product niya, ayan. Yung box niya, okay naman. May handle siya. And, sabi dito nga, this one is TeamSpeak, Discord, Skype, Mumble. Check. Nandito siya. Guys, ayan. And also guys, this one has two kinds of cord. So, meron siyang 1.3mm na cord na audio for PC, and meron din siyang 3.5mm na dalawahan, which is meron siyang 2M. Yun nga, pwede siya, yung dalawahan na audio, yung dalawa yung sinasaksakan, merong color-coded na green. And also guys, titingnan nyo, this is a 2-year warranty, sabi dito. Okay? And 15mm directional drivers. You have HyperX signature memory foam, intuitive volume slider on headset ear cup, and also guys, you have a swivel to mute noise cancellation mic. Yan. So, excited na ako buksan siya guys. So, nabili ko siya guys worth, masabihin ko ba? Ayun guys. So, sige. This one's worth 2,450 in Octagon. And guys, hindi siya wireless, okay? Pero yung, siguro mas mahal yung wireless. Pero meron pa kasi akong gusto doon na isa pang version niya ng HyperX Cloud. Dalawa yun eh, HyperX Cloud version 1 and version 2. So version 1, worth 5,000, and si version 2 is around 6,000. So hindi ko siya afford. Wala akong ganun kalaking pera, hindi ako mayaman. Okay? Hindi ako mayaman. So yun. So, pero guys, siguro sa susunod na susunod ko na lang yung bibili. So, ito na yung kinaya ng budget natin. And titingnan natin, test natin. Okay, so buksan natin siya. Yan, meron pa siyang tawag dito. Meron siyang yung pinaka-plastic niya. Yung seal. Yan, plastic seal. See this one. 1, 2, ay, nalaglag. Ano yung oil? Nalaglag. Oh my gosh. Okay, nalaglag eh. Tingnan natin. Ano yun? May papel na nalaglag. HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX product? Contact our experienced team for quick response and support. We are all gamers. HyperX. Ganyan siya. Pag ganyan si HyperX. Also, nandito rin yung quick start guide. Ayan. Yung manual. Ayan, actually, naaral ko na yan. Kahit hindi pa. Yan. Sige, buksan natin siya guys. So, let's see. This one. Whoa! Oh, ganda. Guys, you see this one? This is great. Ganda niya guys. Guys, parang ayoko galawin. Parang ayoko gawin ito. Parang ayoko gawin ito. Ayan ako ito guys. So, tingnan natin guys. Meron siyang ito yung connector nung pinaka 3.5mm jack, audio jack. And then meron siyang dalawahan, yung sa dalawahan na pwedeng red and green. Ayan. And syempre, ito, extra po. So, pero meron siyang sarili niya na connected mismo dito sa headset. Ayan. Yung pang laptop, yung pang PC natin. Ayan. So guys, so ngayon, we will try. Galing natin. So guys, actually, this is my first time to buy this kind of headset. Hindi naman ako for ng ganitong mga bagay. But still, kailangan ko siya ngayon. Kasi gusto ko rin malinaw at naman naiintindihan na sasabihin ko kapag naka-video calls na kami. And nag-work from home ko syempre. So actually guys, hindi pa ako nakakabili ng ano. Tabi muna natin to. So ito siya guys. And naro-rotate siya. Naro-rotate ito. Adjustable siya. Mismo. Saan natin. And also guys, ito yung ano niya. Pinaka-volume control. This is right, this is left. Okay. So, okay naman siya. And then meron siyang dito, nalagay mo, HyperX. There's oh. Sige. So guys, itatry na natin ngayon. Sasaksak ko na siya. What we're going to do now is to play a video first. Guys, sa una pa lang, okay na siya. Kasi sa intro ng audio, lalo na naka-Dolby audio yung laptop, okay siya. And, para akong nasa sinihan. Para akong nasa sinihan. Yung feeling niya. So yun na guys, natapos ko na yung movie. Ang bilis no? Highly recommended ko siya guys. So I'm enjoying this one. So siguro yung audio, itong microphone, ito-test out lang siya kapag nag-video call ka. I think guys, that's all for today. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And also guys, please do like and share. Again guys, this is Cher Jey. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!